Good morning, students. നമുക്ക് മാക്സിമാമിന് മേലെ ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്തു നോക്കാം. പ്രോബ്ലം ഇതാണ്. Locate all relative maxima, minima or saddle points of the function f of xy is equal to y square plus xy plus 4y plus 2x plus 3. ഈ ഫംഗ്ഷന്റെ എക്സ്ട്രീമാസ് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ആദ്യം fx കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. fx. We partially differentiating the function with respect to x. Then y square ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ്? y square is a constant 0. xy ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് വരും? y into derivative of x 1 plus 4y ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 4y യുടെ ഡിഫറൻഷിയേഷൻ 0 കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് ആണ്. 2x വരുമ്പോൾ 2. then അടുത്ത fy കാണാം. fy partially differentiating the function with respect to y, then we get 2y plus x plus 4 y square ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 2y xy ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ x into 1 4y 4. Then second step, fx is equal to 0, that is y plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to minus 2. The value of y is equal to minus 2. Here fy is equal to 0, that is 2y plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. That is 2 into minus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Cancelling this 4 and 4, therefore x is equal to 0. Therefore critical point is 0 minus 2. Critical point is 0 minus 2. Then we calculate fxx. Partially differentiate fx again with respect to x. Then fxx is equal to 0. fyy partially differentiating 2y, that is equal to 2. fxy we partially differentiating fx with respect to y, we get 1. fx നെ differentiate ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 1. Then you have to check the point 0 minus 2 is a critical, is a locate extrema, either maxima or minima or saddle point. To check x naught y naught, that is 0 minus 2 is a represent extrema, maxima or minima or saddle point. For that we calculate fxx 0 minus 2. This is a constant function, that is equal to 0. fyy 0 minus 2, here constant function again is 0. fxy x naught 0 minus 2, that is equal to 4. Here we fx is a constant function, there will be no change. fyy a constant function, there will be no change. fxy is a constant function, there will be no change. Then calculate value of d. D is equal to fx x naught y naught, fy x naught y naught minus fxy whole square x naught y naught. This is 0 into 2 minus fxy is equal to 1. Therefore, the value is equal to minus 1, that is less than 0. Minus 1. The value of d is equal to minus 1, less than 0. D, since d less than 0, our conclusion is that point 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is a saddle point. Saddle. This is a procedure for finding the extrema of the given function. Here, the critical point is 0 minus 2. That 0 minus 2 is a saddle point. The first we work out fx, fy, then fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0. Solving these two equations, we get the value is critical point is 0 minus 2. Then calculate fxx, fyy, then fxy, substituting the value x naught y naught, that is 0 minus 2. Since these are a constant function, no change. Calculate the value of d. Here the value of d is equal to minus 1, that is less than 0. Therefore, the critical point 0 minus 2 is a saddle point. Okay, എല്ലാവരും എഴുതിയെടുക്കുക, കൃത്യമായിട്ട് എഴുതിയെടുക്കുക, കൃത്യമായിട്ട് ചെയ്ത് പഠിക്കുക കേട്ടോ.